We all know that exercise is good for the body. We hear it all the time. Hit the gym, lose weight, build muscle. But what if the most powerful transformation isn't happening in your mirror, but inside your mind? Today we're diving into the fascinating science of how movement acts as a natural medicine for anxiety and depression. When you start moving, your brain becomes a chemical laboratory. First, it releases endorphins. These are your body's natural painkillers and mood elevators. They create what runners call a high, a feeling of euphoria that pushes back physical and mental pain. But it goes deeper than just a quick buzz. Exercise also regulates cortisol, the primary stress hormone. High levels of cortisol keep your body in a constant state of fight or flight, which is exactly what anxiety feels like. Physical activity helps flush this excess cortisol out, signaling to your brain that the danger is over. Chronic depression and anxiety can actually cause certain parts of the brain, like the hippocampus, to shrink. This area is responsible for memory and emotional regulation. Scientific studies show that regular aerobic exercise promotes neurogenesis, the growth of new brain cells. It increases a protein called BDNF, which acts like miracle-grow for your brain, helping it repair itself and build resilience against future stress. You don't need to run a marathon to see these benefits. Even a 20-minute brisk walk can shift your perspective. Exercise provides a time-out from the cycle of negative thoughts. It gives you a sense of mastery and self-confidence. For many, movement also breaks the cycle of isolation. Whether it's a quick hello to a neighbor while walking or joining a local class, these small social interactions are vital for mental health recovery. Exercise isn't a cure-all, but it is one of the most underutilized tools we have to fight back against mental health struggles. The best workout isn't the hardest one. It's the one you actually do. So, your challenge for today: just move for 10 minutes. Your brain will thank you for it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more science-based wellness tips. Thanks for watching.